Hey everyone, it's Vika and you're with the Modern Creatures. With 5G now more available in the Philippines, you may be looking for a phone that supports it. Today we're taking a look at Huawei's mid-range 5G offering, the Huawei Nova 7 5G. But as usual, before all that, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you know when we upload new videos. Alright, so now that's out of the way, let's get on to the unboxing. Here we go. This is the Nova 7 5G. Okay, let's get on right ahead and rip this plastic open so we can get to the good stuff. Okay, there we go. We have the 256GB variant with 8GB of RAM in the midsummer purple. I'm excited to see that. So it's a dual SIM and it has a free case. Okay, there we go. It just slides out like this. There it is. Let's put that aside. The Huawei Nova 7. I'm a fan of minimalist design, so I appreciate this. But let's get on to the highlight. Slides up pretty easy. And we are greeted with the Nova 7 5G immediately, but we'll show it later, okay? We'll get on with the rest of the contents of the box first. Let's take that out as well. First thing that greets us is a SIM ejector tool, and it already shows us what we'll be expecting inside the box. So let's open this up. Let's put this aside first and focus on this. So there again, the SIM ejector tool. And when we open it, here is the free case. Here are the warranty cards and the quick start guide. So let's put that aside here. We have here the flexible case to protect the pretty back of the Huawei Nova 7 5G. So let's put that aside and get on with the rest of the contents of this box. Okay, the rest of the box contains fast charger with a matching USB-C cable. Yes, USB-C cable. There you go, with a purple tinge that we've seen on other Huawei cables before. Wow, and earphones. Okay, so does that mean that this has a 3.5mm jack? No, it doesn't, because there is an included dongle. This tells us that there is no 3.5mm jack on the phone itself because of this dongle. Okay, so I think that's everything that's in the box. So let's put that aside and get to the phone itself. Are you guys excited to see the midsummer purple? Because I am. Alright, let's take it out of this plastic. So here we have the Nova 7 5G in this pretty midsummer purple color. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. But there is a space silver variant, if I'm not mistaken, if you want a more subtle, toned down kind of a color. But me personally, I really like this because it's such a head turn and it's just so pretty. Look at that. Okay. If you look a little closer, you see some Nova logos here in the texture of the phone. So it makes it a little bit more dynamic than just being a plain back phone. So here we have the 64-megapixel quad camera setup housed in this rectangular module, which isn't very thick compared to some of the other phones I've seen, so that's nice. Up here we see the punch hole notch, which houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera that I am excited to try. So that's all we have for what's inside the box of the Nova 7 5G. But I'm sure you guys are interested in more than just all of this, so here's a closer look at this really pretty phone. And there you have it, our unboxing and first look of the Huawei Nova 7 5G. We are doing a full review for this phone, so if you have any questions or you want to know something specific about this device, just leave it in the comment section below. And as always, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika and you're with the Modern Creatures. Thanks for watching, guys.